Good day, honorable guests, esteemed leaders, and fellow awardees. Magandang hapon in Philippines.
Wow.
It is an great honor to stand before you at this prestigious gallery of world leaders, visionaries, and change makers. I am deeply grateful for the opportunity to share my journey as a military doctor serving in the Armed Forces of the Philippines for more than 2 decades already. A journey that was defined by resilience, service, sacrifice, and most of all, unwavering commitment on saving lives. This recognition is not just for me. It's for the countless men and women in uniform who dedicate their lives in public service, often in the most challenging and unpredictable circumstances. Leadership is not found in titles or ranks, but requires sacrifices made on front lines in remote communities and times of crisis. As a military doctor, I have worn many hats. A healer, a leader, a mentor, and advocate for health and well-being. In times of conflict, a heartbeat and healer. In times of calamity, a responder. In times of peace, an advocate for public health and soldiers' welfare. Through it all, I have learned that true leadership is not about power. It is about purpose. The uniform I'm wearing today is more than just a profession. It symbolizes commitment, dedication, and sacrifice. A true leadership is measured not by authority, but by service, by the lives we touch, and by the impact we leave behind. Beyond the pandemic, my mission extends to the heart of the armed forces through ensuring the health and well-being of every soldiers. Through annual physical examination, dental health programs, and post-stress debriefing initiatives. We have strengthened our troops, not just physically, but also mentally and emotionally. A strong army is not defined by its firepower, but by the well-being of those who serve. But our duty does not stop on our own. We also care for those who stood on the other side, the former continuous terrorist groups who have chosen the path of peace now. As a military doctor, we are bound by our oath to heal, regardless of their ideology. We provide them with medical care, hoping that through compassion and rehabilitation, they can rebuild their lives and become part of a more peaceful and progressive society. Beyond military camps, we extend our hands to communities in need. Through medical outreach program, we extend services to remote villages, underserved populations, and those affected by conflict or calamity. Our goal is simple: to bring healthcare where it is needed most, to let people know that they are not forgotten. I share this recognition with my fellow military doctors, healthcare workers, and frontline worldwide. who tirelessly dedicate their lives to others. Let this moment serve as a reminder that leadership is not about status. It's about service. It is about using our knowledge, influence, and skill to uplift those in need, bridge gap in healthcare, and create a future where no one is left behind. As I accept this honor today, I do so with renewed commitment to continue serving, healing, and heeding with purpose. I also dedicate this recognition to my family for their unwavering support. Also to my mentors, the Army leadership, the Commanding General to Philippine Army, Lieutenant General Dalido, and my Malmer Executive for Division, Major General Cirilo Balaoro. Also my staff at the Army Station Hospital, who stood by me. May we all forge a path where leadership is defined not just by achievements, but by the lives it touches and the impact we leave behind. May we use our respective platforms to create a world leadership is driven by compassion, unity, and the relentless pursuit of a better world. Thank you, and we all continue to serve with honor, lead with purpose, and inspire with compassion. Babunay.